afternoon. Today on the first day of Anuga 2025, I am with Mr. Luca from Clevertech. Hi Luca, how are you?
Hi Manas, I am good, and you?
Great. So how is India treating you?
India is treating me excellently well.
Great.
I can consider India my second country. It's 20 years that I am traveling here. For Indian citizen, it's normal to have a PAN number. Myself, I am an Italian citizen, I have a PAN number.
Great.
So this show how many years and how I am involved in the Indian market.
Great. So Luca, can you please brief us more about Clevertech, what you are into, how you are helping your customers?
Sure, so Clevertech is a family company. We are based in Italy as headquarters. We have other 3 production facilities, one in Shanghai, China, one in Florida, in North America, and one here in Pune, in India. And we are a company that is approximately 220 million euro turnover 2025, with an incredible growth compared to 2024, a huge backlog of order for 2026. And here in India particularly, we reached 5 million euro turnover last year. We are going to confirm this number at the end, March 2026. And we are doing automation for the food and beverage market, so more in general for FMCG category. And here in India we are doing the same machine as we are doing in Italy, but we are also doing a research and development for new technology, like this SmartTech palletizer that is part of the 5 innovation that we are doing in 2025, and that we are going to present on the 17th of November in an open house that we are doing in Chakan.
Oh, great, great. So, Luca, can you please tell me how you have been able to set up the company in India, what initiatives that you have liked in India, and you want to grow your businesses in India?
So, Manas, for me, India has been a very good surprise in establishing a company, and how easy is the process to create a company, and how the government is supporting you in creation of a company. So all the procedures are paperless, so all is digital, which for us that we are creating at least 2 companies every year, because Clevertech has a global presence with subsidiary located in different continents. We come from experience from other countries where you have a lot of challenges in creation of new companies. India has been totally different, extremely supportive, extremely easy in digitalization of the information, and the process to establish a new company is phenomenally easy for foreigners like us. So you don't need to have a shareholder that is locally based with the majority of the share, that normally is a blockage in other country. So here Clevertech is the majority shareholder of the company, with also the support of our local partner that is an Indian citizen. But again, going to the notary to create the company, chartered accountant doing the revision of the financial balance, extremely easy and really digitalized at the maximum level.
Okay, look, coming back to the technological side, how do you make your machine sustainable?
Well, we have a lot of guidance on the way in which we are creating the system. So for example, the motors that we are using are only E3 motors. E3 motors is the less consumption motor that you can find in the market. Then a lot of time we are excluding pneumatics, because pneumatics require air compressor, you have loss of air pressure in the piping, and switching from pneumatic to electrical motor, it gives you a more sustainable system that also as TCO in the long run is much better and much more sustainable. Then for bigger system compared to this, where we have, let's say, complex solution, we have also systems that are recovering the energy from the braking of the robot and using that energy in the next cycle. So all these things are making Clevertech extremely sustainable in the automation that we are delivering in the market.
Great. And lastly, how is the support that you are providing to your customer? I mean, customers demand very fast support nowadays.
Yeah.
How is Clevertech managing that?
So here you have to understand that when we created the company in 2018 here in India, the company was created for after sales and sales business. So we had not in mind yet to start production locally, because we were saying, okay, we have Clevertech China and we can get equipment from China. So the beginning of our journey here was only after sales, and we arrived to the point where we had 2 sales guys, myself and Amit, and 12 service engineers without any production. So these 12 service engineers were trained in Italy, in Clevertech, and in the other partner channel company. And this create for us an extremely good support for our customer, because the moment in which we started production of machine in 2021, we had already a super well-trained service team that were already gearing up since 3 years in the market. So we are really giving a full support with technician, but also with the 24/7 hotline support that is also handled from India, because globally we have 3 hotline service teams, 1 in India, 1 in Italy, and 1 in Mexico. And in this way we can cover the 24 of the day.
Great. Last question, how are you making your machines more intelligent?
Because there are intelligent people like him, and you have to show him. So these are the people that are making the machine intelligent. Robot is an incredible tool, but without human intelligence, robot does the task that you are telling him, no? So here we develop an extremely easy way to create a new layer pattern, visualizing this information in 3D, because then the operator understands how he's looking the pallet, and it is a drag and drop solution. So really here you are loading the information about the size of the carton, and the machine itself is telling to the operator, this is the best configuration that you can do, this is how it looks, is it okay or not okay? So again, robot, very good tool, but without people that with smart approach, we will remain at the robot, but not going further.
Great, Luca. Thank you. It was a pleasure speaking to you.
Thank you.
And look forward for many more new products and innovations coming from your end.
Thank you much.